दोस्तों, आपको एक नई वीडियो में खुशामदीद। आज हमारा टॉपिक है जनरल साइंस और जनरल साइंस में से डिस्कस करेंगे यूनिवर्स के बारे में। 20 से 25 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे और ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं। आप वीडियो आखिर तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1 है, हु डिस्कवर्ड द सोलर सिस्टम। एक साइंटिस्ट का नाम है कॉपर नीकस, इसने सोलर सिस्टम को सबसे पहले डिस्कवर किया था। नेक्स्ट, विच प्लैनेट इज नोन एज द मॉर्निंग स्टार। वेनस। वेनस इज द मॉर्निंग स्टार। The scientists have found some proofs of presence of water on which of the following planets? Mars. Next है Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the fastest planet. Mercury is the planet nearest to sun. ये चारों ऑप्शन इसके लिए ठीक है और किसी भी ऑप्शन एमसीक्यूज में पूछे जा सकते हैं। Which of the following planet has the smallest diameter? Mercury. Which is the brightest star in the night sky? Sirius. ठीक है, Sirius star. Next है, which is the natural satellite of the Earth? Moon. Bodies which usually fall from the sky on the Earth are called meteors. Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between sun and Earth. Lunar eclipse is caused when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon. The rising of the evening star indicates the west. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? This is Venus. Which of the following planet is dropped from the list of planets in 2006? Pluto. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon day. Which planet takes the largest time to go once around the sun? Neptune. Next जी, who was the first woman to travel into space? Valentina Tereshkova. Next है, who was the first to arrest in space? Denis Titu, ब्राजील का था। There is a well-developed system of rings around it. This statement is about Saturn. Which planet is known as the evening star? Venus. How many days does the moon take to return to the same position among the constellation? 28 days. How many layers are present in the atmosphere of the sun? 3. The next है, which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो गया है। Which of one of the following planet sorry has the maximum number of satellites? Jupiter. Name two planets lying between the Sun and the Earth, Mercury and Venus. The first ever artificial satellite was launched by Russia. The visible part of the Sun is called photosphere. Name the first astronaut to set foot on Moon, Neil Armstrong. NASA is a space agency of USA. Russia launched its space station into space in 1986, which was Mir, M-I-R. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to the rotation of the Earth on its axis. जी next है, how many planets are present in our galaxy? 8. एक को निकाला गया है। The planet which revolves very slowly around the sun. This is Neptune. Which planet is known as Earth near twin planet? This is Venus. Hubble is launched in 1990. स्पेस टेलीस्कोप का नाम है, ठीक है, इसको 1990 में लॉन्च किया गया था। विच इज द यूएस स्पेस शटल? कोलंबिया एंड डिस्कवरी बोथ। हु वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन इन स्पेस? यूरी गगरिन। हु वाज द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम आल्सो इन स्पेस? सुल्तान सलमान अल साद। The first ever artificial satellite was launched by Russia. When did the space age begin with the launch of the Russian Sputnik? October 4, 1957. Name the first animal to be sent in space. Laika. G next. Name the first artificial satellite. Sputnik 1 of the former Soviet Union. Which planet contains largest quantity of carbon dioxide with 95%? Venus. How many satellites? Moon of Saturn planet. 56. The comet named after Edmund Halley reappears after a time of every 76 years. The group of small pieces of rock revolving around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. Blue dwarfs refer to young stars. What are red giants? Old stars. G next है which of the following US space shuttle? Opportunity, Columbia, Challenger, all of this. ठीक है all of this. Next है the heaviest mass revolving around the sun is Jupiter. The planet which has the longest day is Venus. What is the rank of the Earth in the solar system in terms of size? Fifth. Important MCQs. The Earth revolves around the Sun at a speed of 29 km per second. Most repeated question. A light year is equal to 9.50 million kilometer per second. The planet which has shortest year is Mercury. The planet which has longest year is Neptune. अल्लाह हाफिज नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक इंतज़ार कीजिए इंशाल्लाह हर टॉपिक पे हम अलहदा वीडियो बना के भेजेंगे